In this video, we will talk about the different types of tracks available in MusiQuest Song Builder. To learn more about the MusiQuest levels, what each level includes on Song Builder, and how to change your level, check out the MusiQuest Levels video, which is linked in the description below this video. The purple melody track, unlocked at level 1 of Song Builder, allows you to add pitches to the note grid to create your own tune. This track will usually play the memorable or singable part of your song. The blue Countermelody Track, unlocked in level 3, works similarly to the melody track and is great for a secondary or supportive melody. Note: you can only add a countermelody track to your song after a melody track has been created. The yellow bass track, unlocked in level 2, works similarly to the melody and countermelody tracks, except it uses lower pitches. This track is often used for the deepest, most supportive notes in your song. The green Chords Track, unlocked in level 3, allows you to play multiple pitches at the same time. It can help create a fuller sense of harmony in your music. All of these tracks, melody, countermelody, chords, and bass, can use any of the numerous pitched instrument sounds MusiQuest has to offer. The red drums track, unlocked at level 1, does not use different pitches. Instead, each drums track may contain up to 4 different drum sounds, which can then be combined in creative ways to compose groovy rhythms. MusiQuest comes equipped with a variety of pre-made drum kits, and, beginning in level 3, you will have access to custom drum kits, allowing you to choose up to 4 drum sounds to combine as you please. The audio recording track, unlocked in level 4, allows you to record your own voice or any other sounds to use in your MusiQuest song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. These 6 track types provide endless creative opportunities. The only limit is your imagination.